In this minute segment, Chapter 4, Text Transformation, AI at Work. Experience AI in action from sophisticated algorithms to practical applications. This chapter focuses on AI's role in everyday entrepreneurial tasks and decision-making, where innovation is not a choice, but a necessity. We witness a transformative era, the rise of AI and entrepreneurship empowering your business vision. Explore AI tools that anticipate your needs, simplifies tasks, analyze complex data with ease, enhancing your decision-making with precision. It's not replacing the human touch, but augments it with unmatched efficiency. Fueling growth for success, AI enables you to reach higher, dream bigger, and human ingenuity with technology's balanced potential. The future is now in the present, where your entrepreneurial dreams finds wings and creates wonders with AI. In this minute segment, Chapter 5, Scaling Heights, Growth with AI. Observe how AI accelerates business growth, pushing boundaries beyond conversational limits. It's not just about technology, it's about the unprecedented growth it fosters. With the transformative power of AI, fueling exponential growth in business as industries morph before our eyes. Sophisticated algorithms are no longer backdrops, they are the keystones of enterprise strategies. AI sculpts the future of commerce, from intuitive analytics predicting market waves to automations that streamlines operations to the core. Every task is amplified in speed and scope. Entrepreneurs now navigate with AI as a compass in every venture. This era is our canvas where ambition meets precision. Scale knows no ceiling, where every leap towards growth is boundless capacity. The future is now with AI. We're not just climbing, we're transcending. In this minute segment, Chapter 6, Wealth Waves, Earning with AI. Uncover the secrets of generating revenue through AI. This segment demonstrates AI's impact on revenue streams, investment strategies, and financial management. We dive into where artificial intelligence revolutionizes wealth creation, transforming the financial landscape, turning data into dollars, insight into income, making precise moves that redefine investment strategies. Entrepreneurs are no longer just players in the game of wealth. You are the architects of your financial destiny. With AI as the cornerstone, unlocking new revenue streams powers your financial triumphs. Through AI's algorithms that predict market trends, manage risk, ensure your assets work as hard as you do. It's not just about making money, it's about making your money work smarter. The future of finance is here and is being written by the algorithms of tomorrow. With AI, ride the waves of wealth and let your vision for financial success become a reality.